All right, so we've been doing some workout on this little guy. This is the parts car. We got the spindle drum set up off of the project car, threw them on here. Outer tie rods are different. I don't know what we're dealing with there yet, but we'll move forward. We got this power plant out. It actually is going to, it's sold. It either gets loaded up and strapped in the back of the project, or we are installing it. I don't know which yet, but it's sold. It's a good unit. 351C with a C4. So now we're over here. We've harvested brake components and whatnot. So our next step, we got to take the manual brake setup off. And then we've got the brake booster. And there's a hole to do that we have not harvested yet. And that's this bit, this bracket and everything that goes with it. So we'll get all that harvested and moved around. We've got our front spindles, tie rod setups. This is one of those annoying little bits of all this would have lasted another 10, 20,000 miles just driving it. But now we had to go and disrupt it and disturb it. So like the lower control arms, we're not even dealing with those at all. They come new with bushings and ball joints. We got new shocks. They should be here Tuesday. So we got a bunch of parts ordered up. So kind of show you how far we've taken this down. And we caveman the deal with the spring. And when we go back together, I've got the correct tool on order to handle that. It needs new sway bar links, sway bar bushings. We're getting to all that. We'll be cleaning all this up at the end of our day today, so it's nice and tidy. But this is the architect of the chaos. Say hi, Caleb. Caleb, you don't have to toe tag the lower control arms. We're not going to use them.
I know, I'm just throwing them there.
Very good. He already knows. He already knows. It's got a assist on the steering. It's not true power steering. It's got I don't know how that works. I've never seen that apparatus. It's neat. We're going to leave it alone. It's new. It does have a leak somewhere, so we'll have to fix that. But you can see, and we'll do some minor cleanup and like fluid film. This thing's going to be driven. It's not getting 100-point concourse restoration. It doesn't need it. Owner doesn't want it. So the upper control arms, we'll get the bushings and everything pressed out, pressed in. We're just going to dust these off, degrease them, get the ball joints out, and get them ready to go. Springs, the strut bars, all that are already back at the sandblaster. So 67 Ranchero. We're concluding our week with the entire front end tore apart. Next week we'll start going back together. And then we got that fun little deal there. Yes. Just got a little 8-inch, but there's a center section that takes it from a one-legger to posse. Then we have to tear interior out, get this steering column, get the steering column over there, floor stuff. It's a neat little project. We'll catch you on the next.